Today we're breaking into something pretty special here. I picked up this tiny little box on Amazon for the small price of like 300 bucks. I think it was like 298. Yeah, you guys are just dying to know what it is, aren't you? Well, luckily for you, I'm going to show you, but first you got to hit that subscribe button and like the video. And as soon as you've done that, I'll maybe go through it. Now, do it. Let's go ahead and show you what's in here, shall we? I'm going to be careful just to split the plastic. Okay. Well, I guess I'm being silly, right? I'm being pretty silly because if you clicked on the video, I'm guessing you already know what's in here. Because obviously I got to use something for a thumbnail. But, oh, let's get it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Are you ready for it? Oh my gosh. Get the paperwork out of the way. Wow, my lighting is trash. As per usual, if you've watched any of my other videos, you are pretty familiar with my lighting situation. But look at this thing. Look at this beast. Look at, that's like inches. That's like 3 inches wide. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it back in there. Let's see. Okay. I ain't reading all that. We have a digital watch, which will work when you do what it clearly says you pull to activate. But I'm not going to do that just yet. I don't want to waste the batteries in there. Should we go left to right? Let's go left to right. Okay. Starting. Maybe I do have to read this thing because I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. Okay, we'll start on this side. Number 1. We will start over here. Maybe. Gotta figure out where I am here. Well, I can tell you that this is definitely a knife. This would be the large blade. Number 2, it says, is the small blade. Pretty standard, right? Okay. What is this thing? I can't even get them open. Okay. Let's try leaving the knife open, which isn't a good idea, really, but let's give it a shot. They came with a pretty good edge on them. I see we've got a file. Okay, a file with like a slight serrated edge. I'm not really sure. Oh, I'm gonna have to read, aren't I? Chisel. Maybe that's not the chisel. I'm looking at this here thing. This is a nail file, nail cleaner, metal saw. This here serrated edge is supposedly a metal saw. It's really fine, like maybe carbide teeth or something like that. Let's get into this monster. Oh, and by the way, if I didn't say it already, this is the Victorinox Swiss Champ something or other. Oh, I already forgot. Victorinox, that's still not it. Swiss Champ, there it is. Ha, 82 functions for collectors. They say for collectors because they don't think anybody would ever want to actually use this thing, but I think I just have this sneaking suspicion that they may be wrong. We've got the nail file, the big blade, the small blade. Let's keep going. What is this little dealie? Looks like we have a blade of some kind. This is the watch opener. Came with a watch opener. Now, I don't really understand that. But whatever. I don't really know how you open a watch or why. Well, let's open that up. This is probably the most dangerous way to do this, but well, I already closed the nail file. Well, let's see. It's so new, it's stiff. I can't get anything open. Okay, back to this. Got that fish scaler, or no, fish scaler. There is one of those in here, but let's keep going. Here we have a hex head. Ooh, that's nice. See, look at that. It's a hex head, like screwdriver, but it has a lock. So it locks here, and it can open all the way up, but it catches right there. So that's kind of cool. Okay dokie. Now if we pull this other one out, which is kind of an Allen wrench type thing. Yep. So that's one. This one's an Allen. This one's a hex. I'm gonna start closing some of this stuff right after I get this pulled out. Actually, I don't really need to pull it out. That's just a standard bottle opener. I'm gonna close some of this stuff because it's making me real nervous. Guys, I already screwed up this review because I overlooked the most important part. The toothpick. The big toothpick. And I imagine that these are tweezers. Yes. Now, I'm actually not really sure what this is gonna be. Oh, it's like a knitting needle. I'm not sure what that is. That would be a pressurized ballpoint pen. This is apparently a pen. Does it work? Yes, it does. And I don't know why I'd be stupid enough to go and write on that thing. Oh my. Just ruined the documentation. But anyway, where was I? Alright, I had this little guy out. Had that guy out. Now I can pull these out. The different bits for my little screwdriver. I'm going to adjust my lighting again, like always. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. The different bits. We've got a Phillips, and a different sized star. Okay, and let's see what other bits are under this guy. Pull her up, and we got a flathead star and a smaller Allen wrench. Okay, so now that we can put these guys back, we can pull this out, and this is a, I'm not sure what this is. Let's look it up. It looks like a paddle. That is a pharmaceutical spatula. Okay, so if you're like gotta clean out you know, something, then you do that. Wow. I did not realize. Okay, we gotta get done with the front, but there's tools on the back, right? Yes. Okay, focus. We've got to get done with the front. All right. Here we've got a magnifying glass. Let's see if I can make it focus. Yes, okay, you get the idea. Magnifying glass. What is this guy? Ooh, fancy. You've got a flashlight. Shut that off while the batteries are still working. Okay, I have to get this stuff in here. I have not gone through that stuff yet. And let me just try shutting this stupid light off. Well, that's actually better, I think. Okay, so. I wish I had more fingernails. I can't get any of this crap out of here. Let's see. What can I use? What can I use to open this stuff? Hold on. Look at what I found out of my trusty box of knives. Okay, and up. Okay, we need to start. Okay, we got that thing out. So this is the next thing. Okay, we've got a blade. An interesting blade. It's sharpened here and here. It's got like a little divot in it. What is this blade? Tell me. Tell me, long laundry list of stuff. What is this blade and what does it do? This blade is on the back, maybe. Yes, that's not. Somewhere. It's got to be on here somewhere. Why am I not seeing this? Am I stupid? Where is it? It's not this. I don't think. No, that's the watch opener. Definitely not. Oh, where? Are these things like in order? Oh, okay, wait. Right there. It is the electrician's blade with wire scraper. Okay, then. This is an electrician's blade for doing whatever electricians do, and then this here is for scraping the insulation off of wires. I get it now. Wow, that took forever. Okay, let's see. We were just on that one. Now we need to go to this one, of which I am having great difficulties getting open. Wow, we got a curved knife. Curved blade. Yes. They're all actually reasonably sharp. What is the curved blade? This is a pruning blade. Not really sure. Pruning what? Plants, bugs, bugs. I don't know, shrubs. You take this outside and prune your shrubs. Okay, let's see. Pruning blade. And we were right there, which means the next thing is the scissors. I can see those. Let's get those out, shall we? There. Wow, those are some big scissors for a Swiss Army knife. They feel pretty robust, actually. That is cool. Okay, moving on. Past the scissors. Past the scissors, we have a something or other that looks really hard to get out, unless this is how you get it out. Ooh, this just might be. Okay, we have a saw. Like a standard wood saw. Okay. And next, we have this guy. Wow, this thing is dangerous. What is this? Wow. I have a feeling this is a fish scaler. Oh, this is a reamer. See? It's right here. Reamer punch. Okay, so we've got a reamer. And now let's see, where were we? We got scissors. I pulled that out. That is. God, I'm losing my spot. There's so much crap on this knife. Was it better with the light on? I'm procrastinating. Okay. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. Scissors. Saw. The reamer. Okay, that's just a bar. Let's see. What is this thing? I wish I had more fingernails. What is this? Okay, this is a fish scaler, if I've ever seen one. Pretty sure. Fish scaler, where? No, the fish scaler does not look like this. This is a blade with serrated edge. Is that really all this is intended to be? Blade with serrated edge. Can't find anything on this list ever. Yes, large blade with wavy edge. Oh, okay, so that's literally just a blade with serrated edge. This thing is really well made, you know. Like it's very large, like it fits in the palm of your hand, but it just feels huge. Okay, where was I? I was working my way this way. I already did the flashlights. I can see the fish scaler hiding in there. Let's try and get it out. How does one get it out? Well, if we pull the magnifying glass, then we go like this, or if we pull this here, do that out. Pull this up. Then let's see. Come on, fish scaler. I just want to get you out of there. How is this even possible? Oh my god. I didn't realize it opened from this end. It was right next to a hinge. Anyway, so we got a fish scaler, a little ruler. That's nice. Okay, and I already reviewed the magnifying glass and the screwdriver. Ooh, hey, look at this. See, there's easier ways. See, I'm getting the hang of it now. Like once I understand how it all works, you know, there's a lot easier ways to get to this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. These pliers, these are not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, they're better than the pliers I used in the last video I made. Probably the worst multi-tool on Amazon. Which pliers was the whole point of that thing, and these pliers are probably way better. I mean, this thing had a much steeper price tag, but okay, let's leave those out. Let's go with, okay, we got Phillips Screwdriver, pretty standard, feels pretty robust. And what else? What is this? What is this? Back to the list. Okay, it looks like a claw from a crab. It's right here. Universal wrench. Universal wrench. I see. Okay, so that's what the little grooves are. See, if you slide a nut in there, like it'll go up to where it fits, or, you know, whatever. Okay. And we have another unidentified object right here. This is like a bottle opener thing, but I'm sure there's something special about it, so let's find it. This looks like it's not on this side, not on this side of the page. Move over to the other side. forget what it looked like already. There it is, can opener with small screwdriver. Okay, so that's the screwdriver tip, can opener. I thought we already had a can opener. Don't know. This, what is this? This is just a can opener with a big screwdriver, I bet. Can opener with screwdriver. Wire strippers. Wait, what am I? I'm losing my spot. Yeah. See, it says right here. It says bottle opener. Why won't you focus, camera? Bottle opener with screwdriver, wire strippers. Wire strippers. Wow. You guys hear that snap? Listen to that. That thing just locks forward. Okay, let's put the pliers back. Let's put this back. Okay, let's flip it over. Now we're on the other side. We've got the obvious corkscrew. Although, sorry to say, I'm not really sure what the little plastic dealie is in the corkscrew. Let's look, shall we? Corkscrew, corkscrew. Where's the corkscrew? Come on. Corkscrew, corkscrew, corkscrew. I'm sure these things are in some kind of order, but you never know. Corkscrew. Corkscrew, yeah, it just says corkscrew. Huh. Oh. Seriously? Right there. A mini screwdriver. Okay, so this obviously comes out of here. And look at that. Tiny little flathead. That's really smart, whoever thought of that. What else do we have on the back of this thing? Get out my handy dandy opening tool. There's something in here. That's just a screwdriver, just a little flathead screwdriver. And in here is just a different size flathead screwdriver. And over here we've got something. Got another flathead screwdriver. I guess, you know, the more you might need, you never know. We've got a hook. Got a hook. Maybe that's for like zip lining. No, I don't know. Hook. Where is hook? So much on this list. Where is this hook? Hook, hook, hook. Hook. Where are you? Hook. I'm not finding a hook, guys. Should be pretty obvious, right? Oh, there it is. Multi-purpose hook. Wow. So glad I spent so much time looking for it. What is this? The non-multi-purpose hook? Wait, what was that both of them? Really? What's the point of this? Two hooks? They look to be the same size even. Okay. All right. Two hooks. Multi-purpose hook. What is this one not multi-purpose? Why is there two? Why two? I do not have the answer to that question. Oh, look at that. Wait. One of these hooks has a file. The other one does not. Interesting. And I think there's only one thing left back here. That is this little guy. I honestly don't know what this is. Got some grease on my hands or something. Okay, we got like a blade looking thing with a hole in it. Help me find that. Where is that? Blade with the hole in it. Blade with a hole. There it is. That is a reamer, punch, and sewing owl. Reamer, like, you know, if you just drilled something, you stick it in there and you just spin it to get the burrs out of it. Okay, shall we see if the watch works? Let's do it. Ooh, ooh, that's nice. Wait, am I holding it upside down? Let's see. Okay. We got, looks like a mileage, not mileage, meters. Sorry, I'm American, it's a habit. Let's see what this thing here says. It says we have a digital clock. I will just fix the camera so you guys can see this. Hold up. Hold up. We have a digital clock, alarm, countdown, timer, altimeter. Okay, so that's altitude. How does it know? I'm just being stupid, I guess, but okay. We got altimeter for meters, altimeter for feet, barometer, thermometer, and thermometer, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Wow, that is a lot of functions for this. You know how small the chip in this thing has got to be? Now my camera ain't going to focus on anything. Guys, it is time for an upgrade, seriously. Anyway, I just wanted to show off my new toy. Look at how pretty she looks. Just sitting and waiting. Look at that. Isn't that the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Little brand in the back. Ooh. I just wanted to show off my new toy, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link down in the description for an Amazon affiliate link. If you want to click on it and buy this product, it helps me out a little bit. You know, help support the channel some. So if you like these kinds of videos and you want to buy this knife, seriously consider that. And thanks for watching.